Hi everyone, Leonardo Ocaprio here. Today we will explore amazing science facts that connect nature's wonders with everyday life. Get ready to see the world differently. The sun is not just a bright light. It's a giant ball of gas that gives Earth heat, light, and the energy for life. Plants are nature's tiny factories using sunlight, water, and air to make their own food through photosynthesis. Clouds are made of billions of water droplets. Some float high and thin, others grow tall and heavy before rain falls. The moon changes shape in the sky because of how sunlight hits it, creating phases like crescent, half, and full moon. Insects like bees and butterflies help flowers make seeds by moving pollen from one blossom to another. The window is invisible, but we can see its power in swaying trees, flying kites, and shaping sand dunes. Magnets can pull or push objects without touching them, and their invisible force can even pass through thin materials. Water can be a solid, liquid, or gas, changing form when it freezes, melts, or evaporates. Nature is full of mysteries waiting to be explored. The more you observe, the more connections you find between science and life. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.